Here we are, back in Antioquia. Today we're gonna go visit an unofficial visit to one of the fincas, the how can I say, the farms of Pablo Escobar. This is not a tourist place. This is unofficial. We have good contacts, so here we go. Let's see what it's gonna be. Epa la arepa, visiting Pablo Escobar. Alright, now we're going to the house. We can't take any videos, that's the rule here, for protecting some things, but I will take some photos. Let's see what it's gonna be. Okay, this is forbidden to film, so I'm trying to do like a secret filming here. There should be a lot of secrets here, so I'm guessing they don't want it on tape. Right, this is pretty crazy to experience. This was the security tower of Pablo Escobar, is behind me. And if you can see down there, somewhere is a house, a white house. That was the brother of Pablo Escobar. He lived there. The sister was living on the other side. You can't quite see it, but through these palm trees there is another house. That was the sister living there. The mom was living on top of this mountain, and everyone was protected from this tower. There was, I can't remember, I think 200 people working here. It took 2 years to remove the ground, or to clear the ground, and 5 years to build all of this. And yeah, with 200 people helping. This was the barbecue house, where they kind of had parties, whatever they did. Pablo only was here 3 times, as far as I could understand. This was the main house. The bottom part was the family living there. I'm not sure with the first, the upper part. That was service people for service. Here we go, lucky penny for Pablo. Epa! everything here created with double walls. It's pretty obvious to see something was hiding here, or they tried to hide something here. It's also obvious to see that people knew and people are looking, because all of the double walls are torn apart. People were looking for the money. So here you can really see the double wall. They say they have 3 types of foam. One foam for the for protecting the money. One foam for protecting for the sound isolation, and a third foam from protecting from the water. And yeah, people have been looking for money. So that was the main house down there. I think now we're going to the stables. So this is the stable area. It's now been transformed into a paintball field. Pretty crazy. Playing paintball war at the house of Pablo Escobar. Some kind of joke in that. If you can see the joke in that one. But hey, it works. Here is just a little proof of some of his early scams. This hole you can see here was some kind of hiding place he could enter from a secret passage. All of this was closed off. But yeah, that's one of the typical Pablo Escobar trying to hide. Mexican built. And of course, we have a football field.